The DJI Agras T50 is a game-changer for large-scale farming, offering a perfect blend of durability, cutting-edge features, and efficiency. Here are some of its key features. Durable and portable design. The T50 has undergone extensive reliability testing, ensuring its robust construction for safe operation in challenging environments. 1. Advanced spraying system. The drone features a dual atomizing spray system with a flow rate of up to 24 liters per minute, making it ideal for orchard spraying and other applications. 1. 2. Efficient operation. The T50 can cover up to 50 acres per hour, optimizing the use of chemicals and seeds, and reducing labor costs. 1. 2. Enhanced safety features. The drone boasts a dual radar system, binocular vision, and an upgraded obstacle avoidance system, ensuring safer operations in complex environments. 1. 3. Rapid recharging. The T50 features a 9-minute fast charging capability, allowing for continuous operations with minimal downtime. 1. 2. Smart farm compatibility. The drone integrates seamlessly with the DJI Smart Farm app, simplifying daily operations and providing valuable insights for crop protection and plot management. 1. 2. Overall, the DJI Agras T50 is an excellent choice for large-scale farmers seeking to enhance efficiency, productivity, and safety in their operations.